rolling up, rolling up. Oh yeah. Hardly anybody here too, so that's good. Oh yeah. I got that buzz. Alright guys, we are finally at the house and ready to unbox this beauty. I guess it's a beauty, I haven't really looked at it. Who would I be to unbox a Bulgarian AK, not bring out the Circle 10 Makarov. Bulgarian Makarov there. You guys haven't seen this one on video. Been saving it. Got springtime coming up. Gonna be hitting the range hardcore this year. There we go. That's a little beauty right there, guys. But anyways, let's get to the point of this video. We got basically for the first time ever, a variant of these rifles was semi-imported into the country. They come in as parts kits, I believe. It's called the SA5, I believe. That was roughly around 2004, 2005, and they were put together in the country, so they basically had U.S. receivers, I think. They didn't say made in Bulgaria, let's just say that. So we got the SAM5 here. Now, a batch of these, a small batch of these rifles come into the country about a year ago. About 200 of them, I think, is what I've heard people saying around that area, but they got snatched up. Arsenal was only selling them to like previous customers, and people could buy, they had a 2 limit, you could buy like 2 of them. So they come in about a year ago, and then I guess this is the second batch of them. And I haven't seen this rifle, guys. I just kind of peeked through the plastic at the gun shop, didn't look at it. So we're experiencing this together. Got the usual oil bottle here. Of course, we got our little owner's manual here. And there it is. I had that 20 round magazine out. What do I do with it? Oh, there it is. I set the box on top of the magazine. Got a 20 rounder. This comes standard with the rifle. I guess Arsenal's doing us a favor because normal 7.62 rifles come with 5 round mags. So we got a 20 round mag. I ordered up, this is why I looked in the box at the gun shop to make sure my magazine was in there. I ordered a 30 round Circle 10 mag here. Now these mags are reinforced. These are not. I've heard these have problems with cracking. I've seen some pictures of them busted up. Even the newer ones, older ones had a real big problem with it. But yeah, it comes with a clear, smoked 20 rounder. It's a Circle 10 as well. But these are the real bad. These are the solid mags. Now, this is your typical 7.62 mag. You see there's quite a bit of a difference there. Kind of looks like a 5.45 mag. But these are solid. They got a steel cage up here at the feed lips here. All this top is reinforced. They got a reinforcement down to about right there on the inside of the spine there. And these are solid. So these are damn near bomb proof. So picked up one of these. They're expensive, like 50 bucks a pop, same as these. Anyways, here we go. Unbox we go. We got a cleaning kit there. Throw that down there. So we don't see this together, guys. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. There's your sling. Typical Arsenal green sling. Anyways, let's experience this together. I've wanted one of these guns. I've wanted one of them. Oh yeah, very nice. There we go. Look at that. Forged milled receiver there. Now they spend upwards of like a half a day, one person milling this receiver out. This is what the AK was originally built on, was a milled receiver. Got the correct gas block on there. So this is not an AKM. This is like a real AK-47 stuff. So even though it is 5.56, so let's check this out. That feels nice. It's not super tight, needing to be adjusted. So that's good right there on that safety. See what she feels like. Smooth, guys. Look at that pinky. That's nice. Now this has the FIME group trigger in it. I'm not a huge fan of that. I think it doesn't have, I think it has a single hook trigger, not a double hook, which I wish it had a double hook. Yeah, single hook trigger. I'm not a huge fan of that trigger. I'll probably put an ALG in here, or I don't know, I'd like to have the old school Tapcos. I love those, the Tapco Gen 2s. I don't like that. I just don't like the little J there. Looks kind of hokey to me. But they feel nice in my SLR, which is now an ALG. Switched it out, so let's see what this one feels like. A little bit of grit. Nice reset. Been wanting one of these rifles, and it's 5.56, so you know you can shoot your AR-15, and then you can switch right over and same ammo and shoot your AK side by side. The thing with that is I'm gonna have to invest in some mags. That's the downside to this. But I think it has a great place in a collection, especially if you're into ARs like I am. I've got like 3 or 4 of them. So it's got the typical Arsenal finish. That's where I kind of ding Arsenal at. They got a phosphate finish, and then it's got like a paint finish over top of it. It has like a purple hue to it. You can shine a flashlight and it looks purple. Same as my SLR 107. You can see some purple right here, but when this black comes off, you'll see gray finish under it. So the metal's treated properly. And these rifles, the Select Fire versions, they make these for military contracts of other countries. So this is a solid built rifle here. It's a beauty. So we're gonna break it down, let you guys take a look on the inside of her. And throw the 20 rounder, that's what it comes with. So these are out of stock. I think I've already said that. Out of stock as we speak. I looked last night and they're out of stock. Got this one last week. You gotta get what you get with these right here, because who knows if there'll ever even be any more of these. Probably won't. So it's kind of an investment piece. Now, these are imported into the country. They're not like the original Dash 5s. These are imported as a sporting rifle. So they put a thumb hole stock on it, and Arsenal or K-Bar or whoever throws U.S. stock furniture on it. Got a bayonet. Well, I'm gonna get a bayonet for it. I got a Russian bayonet, but I don't have an Arsenal bayonet. Got, I believe it's the 351 AK-351 break on it. It's kind of a shark gill break. It's a short version. And it is 7.62. It's 14 by 1 thread, left-hand thread, but it will go on a 7.62 rifle. Wish it had come with a muzzle nut. I'm not seeing a muzzle nut like the first batch. Just had a muzzle nut, no break on them. Wish it had come with a muzzle nut, and I'm not seeing one. Anyways, let's let you guys take a look on the inside of it. So For you folks that are new, may just be happen upon this video. Now this is your typical 7.62 AK round, and this is what's special about this rifle here is we're going with the 5.56/223 round here. This is a 5.56 Nato. This is a M855 green tip. So that's what we're going down to, and that's what makes this rifle really cool. Get that old nasty oil off of it. Great looking rifle here, guys. Look at that. Got our door there, trap door in the stock. US made stock. Where's it at? I seen it on here a while ago. Oh, it's stamped US on the inside. You see that down in below. We got our US top there, and there's our bottom. Circle 10 there. Here's our other side, and that safety feels nice. You can see we don't even have a line in there yet. Very nice. Now you don't get superb collector piece finishes on arsenals. I mean, you get military grade, so it's gonna have some marks on it. There's our sight there, goes out to 800 meters. Got a D on there. Take this mag out of here. That mag is tight, guys. Look at that. No movement at all. That's a little cherry. She's got oil on her. There's a receiver there, receiver cover. So, like I said, guys, very smooth. I'm glad to see it doesn't have a huge hump on that trigger, because that hump gets hung up on the bottom of your bolt, and that's what makes them kind of clunky when you rack them. And they're much smoother. A lot of people file that hump down on the trigger there. I've done that a few times. Nice and smooth. And it's even got that old factory oil on. Pull our recoil spring out of there. Now I'm wondering if you could throw a regular 7.62 recoil spring in this and it'd still be reliable. We will try that when we get it to the range. Very nice. Feels good. Just a tiny bit of wobble there, almost none. Pull this out. Check that out. $18.97. Now arsenals have a spring firing pin there. I like that. It's a little bit of a safety feature there. So there's our little trick to pulling your lance right here. So throw this in here. It's not too stiff. We have a numbered right here on here. I'm seeing a serial number on there. My SLR is numbered up here on the top. I don't see anyone on here. Nope. You see that purple hue I was talking about on the finish there. I'm guessing that's kind of like maybe a two-step process when they're painting these. Some kind of activator maybe, I don't know. Now some arsenals have, or a lot of arsenals have issues with bubbling on the finish. I can tell you one thing, your barrel, when you go to shooting and heating this barrel up, it will change color a little bit. It'll get a gold tint to it. My SLR is not bubbling, so I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping this one doesn't, but you never know, it could. There's our front sight. It is over to the right a little bit, so there's a little bit of canting on the sight there. Hopefully that's all we have to do when we sight her in. Hope it doesn't go much more. You never know. Can't wait to get this one on the range, and I'm gonna try to get there pretty soon. I get unmotivated during the winter. We're gonna try to get this on the range very quick for you guys. I've got other videos that need to be done. I've got people wanting me to go to the range. It's binding up right there. Gotta put some force on it and push it down in there, and we're good to go. Okay. See that? That's how you know you got a quality AK. It just goes together like butter. Watch that just drop down in there. You don't have to fight it. Just set it right there, and it's in there like butter, baby. That's quality AK for you. Nice and a lot there. Cool beans, guys. That's gonna wrap this video up. I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me for this wonderful unboxing here. Thought we had a little hiccup there, but you know, we got over it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you guys think. Did you score one of these? Were you lucky enough to score one? Are you wanting one? Are you going to have to pick it up on Gunbroker? What do you guys think? So that's gonna wrap this one up, guys. Stay tuned for range video. Appreciate you guys stopping by and hanging out. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace.